Hey, what's up guys? Richard here, High Caliber Carpentry, wrapping up the day, but we've got some things to fix. I was carefully removing these window casings a while ago. It's the trim that goes around your window. Sorry about the noise there, got a highway up behind us, but these have accidentally popped off because there was nails in there, and those nails had separated the wood. And when I was carefully removing it this time, which is good, and we've not got anything else broken on these. I've already got the nails out, so I'm excited about this part, right? So, we're just gonna be putting these back in place. They're clean breaks, and we're able to put them back. So what I'm using today, I got these from Clean Spores up in Winston, and I got some what's called CA glue, and I use the gel type. This is called CA medium. It's just like super glue, but the cool thing is like you got your super glue right here, but you also have your activator, and this is what really gets the process going, so that when I put the glue on and then I spray the other piece with the activator, when I put them together, that activator like exponentially increases the cure time of the glue, and so it's like just like that when it sticks. And so that's really great for our industry, because when I make some small mistakes like this, I'm able to put it back on there, and you couldn't even tell it came off in the first place. So the reason I'm outside is because this stuff stinks bad. It's got a bad, very potent smell. So I definitely didn't want to do this in the customer's house, and I'll be leaving it off for a few minutes, letting it rest out here before I put it back inside, so it doesn't stink up the house again. So watch how I do this now. I'm gonna warn you, this stuff is hard to get off once you put it on there. Oh, came off pretty easy that time. Thank goodness. Put some glue on here, some nice gel, that came out pretty nice. Alright, so the gel's on there. Shake up the can. I'm going to spray this piece now without the glue on it. Alright, and then we're just going to put that in place. Careful not to get your fingers in there, guys, because if your fingers get stuck on there, they're stuck. Alright, we'll leave that sitting for just a brief second there. Put that over that way. Now we're ready for this one. Put some gel on it. You can see where the nail went in through there at. Get around the edges. So here's the little. Now don't put a plethora on there. You don't want it to just gum everything up and look nasty in the end. I want it to hide nicely. Come over here. Sure everything's good. And press it on there. Press it on there, guys. Woo! And hold that one, because this is one to come apart. Okay. See, I got a little bit stuck to my finger right there. Come over here and check that piece. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, this CA glue is where it's at. If you ain't got on that train yet, I highly suggest so. If you come across little fixes like this that you need to do all the time, this is my go-to for quick fixes like that, and to really get back in action pretty fast. You still get a really good quality project out of it. I'm going to be able to put these things back up without a lot of downtime in action. So again, I'm using some CA glue. I use the gel, and I got what's called a stick fast, which is called the Activator. I forget how much both of them cost over at Clean Spores, but yeah, go over and get you some. I got the receipt right here, y'all. See, accelerated. I paid about 20 bucks for both of them. For me, that's a great price. You know, I'd probably save an hour of downtime, because with regular wood glue, that's how much it would be. But I'd probably save some more if I didn't make these videos. But I just want to keep you guys informed and show you some really cool hacks, if you want to call it that, or just some really good ways to do carpentry that maybe you didn't think about before. So I hope you enjoy this, but maybe I can show you some more later. But take care. Have a rockin' Friday, y'all. God bless.